So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Apple Music account to your Amazon Echo Dot or Echo Plus or Echo Spot. Pretty much all the Echo devices, you can now play Apple Music with an Amazon device, which is pretty insane. Now, first things first, make sure your Amazon Echo app, it is updated. So in order to support the Apple Music, download the Echo app. You got to go into the little hamburger icon up there. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. And then you got to go into settings. Then you go into music. Now you want to tap on link new service. You're going to see Apple Music just right there. And then, oh, the stars is kind of low. You're going to just tap on enable. And then now you have to log into your Apple account. So this is your Apple ID and password. And then make sure you allow the requests. And then you are set. It is linked. And now the question is, does this suck? Now, oh yeah, and now it's going to ask you if you want to have this as your default player. I used to use Spotify, but now I'm going to switch into Apple Music. But now I feel like that cannibalized the HomePod sales. I have my HomePod here, and that was one of the honestly, that was one of the main reasons why I brought the HomePod, because of Apple Music, and I was just curious to see how this thing sounds. This thing sounds fantastic, but now the reason why I say cannibalize that sales is the Amazon Echo Dot. You can hook up a you can hook up a speaker, you can hook up something that's better sounding than the HomePod, and you can still play Apple Music with your Amazon device. So now I'm just gonna put it to the test. Play Apple Music.
Sean Smith station from Apple Music.
So this is from Apple. So this is straight from Apple Music. Play 21 Savage.
21 Savage from Apple Music.
So everything is from Apple Music. Play Drake.
Drake from Apple Music.
I'm the fucking man. Y'all don't get it, do you?
And then you guys have it. So Apple Music on the Amazon Echo device. Now you can finally not spend $350 on the HomePod just to play Apple Music. You can now just only drop $50. This thing is constantly going on sale for like $40, even sometimes even $30. And this thing is a steal. It does a lot of things right, and add in Apple Music, put the cherry on top, in my opinion. Especially if you're on the Apple ecosystem heavy. You can also play all your favorite playlists, so your favorites hits, your today's hits. And yeah, it's Apple Music just on the Amazon Echo device, which is pretty amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like on this video if it did help you. And honestly, it doesn't suck at all. It's Apple Music, so pretty much you can listen to Beats One Radio. And before I end out the video, I am giving away an Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation. Make sure you guys leave a comment on my Christmas gift ideas video. The giveaway is still in session. I am going to end the giveaway when I drop my YouTube Rewind, all the favorites and all the best videos that I made this year. And this is the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation, so it's a better sounding speaker than the 1st and 2nd generation. So make sure you guys just leave a comment. I'm just going to pick one random lucky winner. Yeah, so good luck.